How to use topsoil to level a yard. Your lawn is the first thing visitors see when they visit your home. A lush, even yard makes your house more visually appealing. If your yard has uneven areas that fill with water every time it rains, or if your yard is sloped in a peculiar way, however, your yard doesn't have the curb appeal that an even lawn has. Use topsoil to level your yard and give it better curb appeal for a relatively low cost. Things you will need: marking flags or stakes, topsoil, water sprinkler optional, shovel. Locate the low-lying areas in your yard after a rain. If you live in an area that doesn't get much rain, saturate your lawn with a lawn sprinkler for a few hours. Use marking flags, most often used by surveyors, or stakes to mark the perimeter at the craters. Use a ruler or yardstick to determine the depth of each crater. Buy or order topsoil to fill in the craters. If the craters are small or few in number, purchase bags of topsoil at a nursery. If the craters are numerous and are large, order a truckload of topsoil from a nursery or soil and gravel supply store. Use a shovel to pour topsoil to level the yard. Pour grass seed on top of the topsoil, applying in a thick layer. If your grass is St. Augustine or Bermuda, you can fill the crater completely because those grasses are hardy enough to grow up through many inches of soil. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist, not dry.